How can you prevent inconsistent API versioning strategies? Imagine building a house where every room has a different door style. It would be confusing and hard to navigate. The same goes for API versioning. Consistency is key to making your API easy to use and maintain. When you start designing your API, plan how you will handle versioning from the beginning. Decide on one main approach, like including the version number in the URL, in the request headers, or as query parameters. Sticking to one method helps everyone on your team stay on the same page. Using semantic versioning is a smart move. This means labeling your versions with numbers like 1.0.0. Major changes that break things get a new first number, like 1.0.02 to 2.0.0. Small updates or bug fixes only change the last number. This way, everyone knows how much a new version will affect their current setup. Always aim to keep your older versions working smoothly. When you add new features, do it in a way that doesn't break existing clients. For example, add optional parameters or default values instead of removing or changing existing ones. Supporting multiple versions at the same time is also helpful. This allows clients to stay on older versions while they update at their own pace. Clear documentation is essential. Update your changelogs regularly and explain what has changed in each version. Make it easy for users to see the differences and understand how to upgrade. Communicating upcoming changes early is also a good idea. Let your users know about deprecations and timelines so they can plan accordingly. Testing is a must. Use automated tests to verify that each version behaves as expected and that new updates don't cause conflicts. Using tools or platforms that manage version control can simplify this process. These tools help enforce rules and keep everything organized. Finally, think ahead about future growth. Design your API so it can handle new features or changes without breaking existing ones. This long-term planning makes your API more reliable and easier to maintain. By following these steps, you create a stable environment where clients can trust your API. Consistent versioning reduces confusion, prevents bugs, and makes updates smoother. It's all about planning early, communicating clearly, and building with growth in mind. This approach makes backend development more accessible and straightforward for everyone involved.